The Peri-Star Pro is a popular peristaltic pump. Here we will show you how to install the tubing. First, remove the tubing fixture by pressing the locking tab on the left side of the fixture and pulling the fixture open. Then, pull the tubing through the fixture. Make sure the tubing is straight inside the fixture with no kinks. Remount the fixture in the pump head. The rounded notch is on the right side of the fixture and it fits up against a steel rod on the pump head. When the other end of the fixture is pushed into place, the locking notch will snap into place against the inside of the locking tab. Turn the adjusting screw here if necessary to get a smooth flow. If you have any questions about your Peri-Star Pro, just give us a call.